top 5 main reason why investing in house and lot in Kawayan City, Isabela is the best decision you will ever make. If you've been thinking about where to put your hard-earned money, here's the truth. Real wealth is not just about earning more. It's about investing wisely in something that grows with you. And in a fast rising city like Kawayan City, a house and lot are more than just a property. It's a long-term advantage. Here are 5 powerful reasons why this move can change your future. Reason number 1. Land value continuously appreciates. Your money doesn't stay the same. It grows. Every piece of land you see today carries a hidden truth. Its value is never meant to stay the same, but to rise with time, demand, and development. As Kawayan City continues to expand, what seems affordable today may become a high-value asset tomorrow. One of the strongest advantages of investing in house and lot is capital appreciation. Kawayan City is steadily expanding. New roads, commercial establishments, schools, hospitals, and public infrastructure projects are continuously being developed. Every improvement in the city directly impacts land value. What this means for you? A property you buy today becomes significantly more valuable in the next 5 to 10 years. You are not just saving money, you are growing it through real asset. Inflation works for you, not against you. Unlike cash sitting in a bank losing value over time, land becomes scarcer and more valuable. That is the power of real estate. So, when you invest in land today here in Kawayan City, you are not just buying property, you are securing a future price tag that works in your favor, not against you. Reason number 2. Strong urban growth means strong investment security. Real wealth is not only about what you buy, but where you choose to plant your investment. And Kawayan City is rapidly becoming a place where growth is no longer a prediction but a reality. With every new development, the city becomes more valuable to live in, work in, and invest in. Kawayan City is not just growing, it is transforming into a regional economic hub in Isabela. With increasing business activity, transport accessibility, and government investment, the city continues to attract workers, entrepreneurs, and families looking for better opportunities. Why this matter to investors? More economic activity means higher housing demand. Higher demand means stronger property value stability. Stronger growth means lower investment risk compared to volatile markets. This is what makes real estate here powerful. You are investing in a city that is actively moving forward. This means your investment is not floating in uncertainty. It is anchored in a city that is steadily building its future and yours along with it. Here is reason number 3. Rental income potential. Your property can work for you. Imagine owning something that doesn't just sit still but actively earns for you month after month without you having to work extra hours. That is the power of real estate in growing city like Kawayan City. A house and lot are not just for living. It can also become a passive income generator. As more people move into Kawayan City for work, education, and business, the demand for rental home continue to increase. Potential benefits. Monthly rental income from long-term tenants. Opportunity for OFW family housing demand. Flexible use. Live in it now, rent it later. Over time, your property can help pay for itself while still increasing in value. That is financial leverage at work. Your property becomes more than an asset. It becomes a silent employee that generates income while you focus on building your life and your dreams. Reason number 4, a permanent foundation for your family's security. In a world full of uncertainty, there is nothing more powerful than giving your family a place where stability is not temporary but guaranteed. A house and lot is where memories are built and future are protected. Owning a home is more than an investment. It is a life milestone and legacy. When you own a house and lot, you are giving your family something that no rental agreement can provide: stability. What it truly gives you: a permanent place your family can call home, protection from rising rental costs and landlord dependency, a sense of belonging and long-term security, an asset that can be passed on children's and future generations. This is not just about property, it's about peace of mind and dignity. Because long after the payments are done, what remains is not just a structure, but a lasting legacy your family will always call home. Number 5, flexible financing makes ownership achievable today. Many people believe owning a home is a distant dream, but today that dream is closer than ever because opportunities are designed to meet your present capacity. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start wisely. Many people delay investing because they think real estate requires huge capital upfront. But today, that is no longer the case. With options like Pag-ibig financing and developers installment plans, owning a home in Kawayan City is now more accessible than ever. Why this is important? Low down payment option makes entry easier. Long-term amortization reduces monthly burden. You can start owning while building your income. Instead of waiting for someday, you can start building equity today, step by step. And sooner you take the first step, the faster you turn monthly effort into lifelong ownership and financial security. Real estate rewards those who start early, not those who wait for perfect timing. In a growing city like Kawayan, every year you delay is a year of potential growth you miss. The question is not, can I afford to invest? The real question is, can I afford to wait? Call or text for more details.